In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Zoho projects. Assigning tasks correctly is a small step that has a big impact on how smoothly your projects run. When every task has a clear owner, it's easier to track progress, avoid confusion, and keep your team accountable. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most direct and straightforward way to assign a task inside Zoho projects so you can start using it confidently right away. First, make sure you're inside the correct project in Zoho projects. Once you're there, look for the Tasks module. This is usually found in the main navigation bar or sidebar, depending on how your layout is configured. Go ahead and click on Tasks. This is where all of the work items for your project are listed, often in a table or list view. Next, find the specific task you want to assign. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of tasks, use filters or the search bar to quickly narrow it down by name, status, or other criteria. Taking a second to confirm you've got the right task is important, especially in larger projects, so you don't accidentally assign the wrong item to someone. Once you've located the correct task, look for the assignee column in that row. This column usually displays a user icon, the current assignee's name, or the word unassigned if nobody owns the task yet. Click directly on that area. This click opens a drop-down menu where you can choose who should be responsible for the work. In the drop-down, you'll see a list of users who are part of that project. Start typing the person's name in the search field to quickly find them, especially if your team is large. When their name appears, click to select it. If your setup allows multiple assignees and you want to share responsibility, you can select more than one user from this same list. After you've selected the user or users, the drop-down will close, and you'll see their name or avatar appear in the assignee column for that task. That's it. Your task is now assigned. At this point, the assignee can be notified depending on your project's notification settings, and they'll be able to see the task clearly under their own work view. By following this simple process each time you create or review tasks, you help keep your project organized and ensure everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for.